Dime ve mi gente, my first video back in a hot minute.
Finally!
It's maintenance day, so let's get into it because Valentine's Day is tomorrow and I need to get right. Eyebrows need to be done, nails need to be done, hair needs to be done, lashes needs to be done, just everything. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna do my eyebrows because as y'all can see,
Oh my god!
they need to be done. So start with the eyebrows. First, I'm gonna tweeze the hairs. I like to tweeze and then go in with the razor blade. That's just me personally. And of course, a light just went out.
That was legitness.
What?
Yeah, it was. Huh?
Oh. Okay, I had to go get my light because I don't know what the freak happened. Light bulb went out, now it's back. Oh, getting all these. Oh my god, I think this is the first time I let my eyebrows grow this much. I'm gonna go do the other one and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I'm done plucking. Now I'm gonna go in with a razor and I'm gonna do the top and then just clean up the bottom and then do my unibrow, of course. I like to kind of wet my brows a little bit with water so it's not like super dry. You get a cleaner look too, so let's see.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, but shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna go, call it up, just to put it down.
I'm glad I can do that myself. Y'all, look at this.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, that's why I use this after I tweeze. But they look good. All right, now time to move on to these crusty lashes. They need to get done ASAP. All right, first of all, I'm just gonna pull them off like this and hold.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Nasty. All right, let me do the other side. I just literally pull them off and hold. I had these on for 2 weeks, maybe 2.5, so it's definitely time. I'm going to clean my lashes really good so this next set can stay and last. So I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are all cleaned, good, ready to go. I'm going to be using my You Look DIY lash clusters. I got this off of TikTok shop and y'all, these are like the best lashes, like literally the best lashes because all I need is 4 clusters and I'm good. Like that's it, super quick, super easy, and they last. Like I had those previous ones for about like 2.5 weeks, I would say. So what I do is, so this is the lashes, the Bond and Seal, the tweezers, comes with the tweezers, and then it also comes with, if I can get it out, a lash remover. The previous ones I had on were 10, 10, 12, 12. I think I'm gonna try 12, 12, 14, 14 this time. Be a little dramatic. I get my lash, and let me show y'all up close because This is why I only need 4 clusters. And I have small eyes, so. But this is 1 cluster. That, like, it literally, that's why I only need 4 clusters. And I'm good to go. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. But anyways, so I put the glue on the cluster first. I put it on all of them. And I let them sit so that way they can get like tacky. And now while the glue is sitting on the clusters, I already put glue on all the clusters that I'm gonna put on my eyes. I like to go in with the glue and put it on my natural lashes. Just at the edge of it. And of course I put some on my, okay? And I'm only gonna do one eye at a time because I don't want it to get too dried on the other eye. And I kind of just, and then I grab my cluster. I try not to let it sit too much because then it's just gonna be a hot mess. So I got my first 12.
Maybe you should drive your car. Pick up another your car. In the parking lot in Tucson.
Just like that. See, it sticks so easily because the glue has been sitting already on the cluster. And I'm going with my second one. That was my 2 12s, and now I'm going in with 14.
I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you,
Ooh, my eyes watering.
babe? What would
My lashes in the eye. This one's watering, this one's dry, so I might as well do both. Got 12. 12. 14. 14. Now since I'm done with this side, I'm gonna go back in this eye and I'm gonna press lashes so they can stay. I like to wait to do that because then it gets stuck to your tweezers. I like to do it multiple times, to be honest, because I want these to stay on.
I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe?
I'm gonna go ahead and just seal them. Now this sealant, I really think that this helps. Oh my fucking gosh, y'all. Oh,
Come on
my
now, dawg.
freaking gosh.
Come on, man.
Whew. Crazy. What happened while I'm trying to do a freaking video? Okay, we're good. Alright, so I just like to go like this. Boom. And boom. This is literally gonna help them stay longer. And then I kind of just dry them. Boom. And that's it. The lashes are done.
The old man! Damn, the old man!
are done. Now I just need to get my hair, my nails done, and then yeah. But this is what the nails look like, and I'm about to go get them done. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Let's go. Okay, I'm on my way to my nail appointment, and I'm so excited, y'all. This set is about to be so tea.
See, no, and as soon as you start recording, I can't even stick the tip. That's so embarrassing. Let me get my life together. This is where we're gonna start. How do we feel about that?
Can you cut it? Let me see.
So that's 6 magnets. That's one less than what I have.
Oh, okay.
I know you better than you know yourself. Okay. You see how 6 you're like?
Wait.
Whoa. Because this is.
Wait, let me see 7. Fuck it, let's do it. It's okay.
7.
Let's do 6.
Right. Like I said,
Yeah.
I know what I'm talking about.
She knows me too
I know
well.
what I'm talking about. I know my clients. 7 is just one too many. You know. I'm like this is real chill. So like this doesn't bother me at all. Cause she makes
I'm trying to get used to
Super Bowl. Like I just been feeling.
You know what? I'm not even gonna lie to you. Same.
No, like
I'm dead ass.
I feel so Latina, like on.
Okay, I just got back home from getting my nails done, and y'all ready to see the nails? Here they are. These are the thumbs. What do we think? I think they're really cute. The design is mad cute. Let's get into it. So my hair is not getting done today because it's a whole process. I had to wash it, blow dry it, etc. Whatever. It's a process, and I'm tired. I had a long day today, but I was able to do my brows, my lashes, and my nails. I got that done and over with. And yeah, so I guess this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.